Hey guys, welcome back. This is graphing an ellipse given its equation in general form. We're going to do something similar to what we have been doing with parabolas and circles. Now we're going to complete squares. So let's put together the x's and let's put together the y's. Okay, I don't want to take a lot of time on this, but okay, let me put it like this. These are the x's together. I'm going to put them in between parentheses. These are the y's together. Let me put them in parentheses. And I'm going to put the number that is alone, the constant, in the other side of the equation. And it will look like this. Now, look at the formulas. The formulas have the x and the y. It doesn't matter if it is horizontal or vertical. The x and the y have coefficient 1, so we don't want these numbers in here. We don't want the 4 with the x squared, and we don't want the 9 with the y squared. So we are going to take those out by factoring a 4 in here, and this 8 will be 2, well, minus 2. And in here, we're going to save the place, the space saving parentheses to complete the squares. So the same will happen with the y. I'm going to take out this 9. I don't want it there. This will be 2y, space saving parentheses. And I'm going to write it 23. Now be careful with this part, guys. This is the most important part. Whatever you add in the left-hand side of the equation, you have to add it in the right-hand side of the equation. But what you put in there to complete the squares will be multiplied by 4. So you better put 4 times whatever you write in there. And the other will be 9 times whatever you put in there. Be careful with that. That is the only part to be careful in this. Now, completing the squares, you already know how to do this. And yeah, actually this is the same number for this particular example. And this is going to be 4 times x minus 1 squared, plus 9 times y plus 1 squared equals, I will need my calculator now. This is 27 plus 9 is 36. Yeah, I didn't need my calculator. Now, remember from other exercises of this part of ellipses, whatever we have, horizontal or vertical, what we have in the right-hand side of the equation is a 1. So this 36 has to become 1, right? So I'm running out of space, so let me put it down here. We're going to divide everything by 36, right? So 4 divided by 36 is 1 over 9. So this will look like this if we divide everything by 36. Now 9 divided by 36 is 1 over 4. And 36 divided by 36 is 1. That's what we wanted, right? So now we have done all of that. Actually, this is a pretty long exercise. We can now know if this is vertical or horizontal. The number that is greater is below the x, so it will be a horizontal. Remember that a is always the bigger. So a is going to be the square root of 9, that is 3. And b is going to be the square root of 4, that is 2. And yeah, you know, h is 1, k is -1. So we have everything. Let me grab this. Center at 1, comma -1. This is that point. This is a horizontal. The distance from the center to the vertex is a. I'm sorry, a. That is 3. So 1, 2, 3. And the distance of the semi-minor axis is 2. From the vertex to the co-vertex is 2. So let me check this. Correct.